Conjunctive adverbs in English with examples. The words that connect ideas in a sentence are known as conjunctive adverbs. Their purpose is to demonstrate the interrelationship between two concepts. Unlike conjunctions, which link two complete sentences, conjunctive adverbs connect specific parts of a sentence. They are frequently employed to illustrate time, addition, or contrast. What are conjunctive adverbs? Conjunctive adverbs are words that serve as both adverbs and conjunctions, connecting clauses or concepts within a sentence. In contrast to conventional adverbs, which modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, conjunctive adverbs primarily fulfill a connective function. Moreover, therefore, as a result, hence, indeed, furthermore, in addition, instead, thus, similarly. Example sentences. The company exceeded its sales targets, moreover, profit margins increased. The deadline was approaching, therefore, the team worked overtime. The system experienced downtime, as a result, customer requests were delayed. The budget was reduced, hence, several projects were postponed. Market conditions were uncertain, indeed, the firm moved forward with the launch. The proposal was well received, furthermore, it secured executive approval. The training improved efficiency, in addition, it reduced operational errors. Resources were limited, instead, the team prioritized critical objectives. The strategy proved effective, thus, overall performance improved. The finance team adopted automation. Similarly, the HR department followed suit. Follow us for more interesting content like this.